If you've just dropped $1,000 on your new iPhone 17 Pro, please don't trust it to a $5 case. The latest iPhones are gorgeous but slippery, and the right case can mean the difference between a clean drop and a cracked nightmare. So here are the top 5 best iPhone 17 Pro cases of 2026, tested for protection, grip, and style. Starting off with something elegant, the MOFT MOVAS snap case. This case combines soft-touch vegan leather with a slim, minimalist design that looks and feels premium. It's fully MagSafe compatible, offers stain resistance, and includes raised camera lips for extra lens protection. The MOVAS texture gives you that grippy yet silky feel that doesn't slide around in your hand or pocket. It's ideal if you love clean aesthetics and don't want to bulk up your phone. Check the description below for the latest MOFT MOVAS snapcase link. Next up, the SUPFINE magnetic case. Built for those who want transparency and toughness, this case has a translucent matte back that resists fingerprints, while the reinforced corners and shock-proof frame provide military-grade drop protection. It's MagSafe compatible and uses a metal ring structure for a stronger magnetic hold, perfect for car mounts or wireless chargers. It looks sleek, feels durable, and keeps your phone's original design visible, while still guarding it like a tank. Check the description below for the current SUPFINE magnetic case link. At number 3, the ESR Classic Hybrid Case offers an impressive mix of function and protection. It's MagSafe, compatible, shockproof, and even includes camera control features, letting you open or close the camera lens cover with a quick slide for privacy and protection. The hybrid design, clear back plus reinforced bumper, means you get style and security in one. ESR's military-grade certification ensures your phone can survive serious drops while the magnetic hold feels incredibly solid. This one's perfect for someone who wants smart features and a minimalist design. Check the description below for the ESR hybrid case link. If you love Apple's native design, the official Apple silicone case with MagSafe still holds up as one of the best. It's slim, smooth, and built with precision for a perfect fit. The soft microfiber lining cushions your iPhone, while the silky matte finish gives it that signature Apple feel. It also supports wireless charging, camera control integration, and of course, flawless MagSafe performance. It's not the most rugged case here, but it's easily one of the most refined. Check the description below for the Apple silicone case link. Finally, the CASETiFY Impact Case, a fan favorite for style and strength. It's MagSafe compatible, slim, and boasts 8.2-foot drop protection. That's 4 times military-grade durability. What makes CASETiFY unique is the customization. You can pick from tons of designs or even upload your own. The EcoShock material absorbs impacts while staying lightweight, and the raised bezels protect your screen and camera lenses. This is the one for creators, travelers, or anyone who wants personality with protection. Find the CASETiFY Impact Case link in the description below. All these cases are linked below. Check them out for the latest prices and designs. If you want luxury and texture, go with the MOFT MOVAS. If you want rugged reliability, grab the SUPFINE or CASETiFY Impact. And for that classic Apple feel, the silicone case never goes out of style. Like, subscribe and tell me, are you team minimal or team maximum protection?